Want an upgraded off-road factory pickup truck without spending $70,000? Well, Nissan might have the answer. We have some pricing information on the Nissan Frontier, including the Sport, which is their entry-level off-road vehicle. You know, I've always liked the Frontier, and I always thought it was just a great vehicle. It feels like a real truck. We always liked this. But the Sport is going to be pretty cost effective when it comes to off-road capability, and I think it's going to be a hit. Listen to this starting MSRP, $32,490, and it arrives in dealerships this June. That's for the S 4x2. If you want to step up to the 4x4 version of the S, that's $35,490, crew cab, 5-foot bed. And then you can go up the chain with 4x4 SV for $39,790, which is pretty much the one that you normally see. It's the volume model.
That's probably it, right.
And you kind of go up the chain. I'm weird that they sell a Pro-X, which is their kind of high-end off-road vehicle, off-road truck in a 4x2, sort of like a pre-runner, I guess.
Yeah, well, but it's got the 6-foot bed.
Okay, $38,890, and then the 4x4, $42,000. But here's the kicker. We're talking about the Sport Edition package now, right? So if that is a $990 option, which for that you get a lot of good stuff. It is sort of the more affordable Pro-4X. You get aluminum skid plates, 17-inch black off-road wheels, hand-cooked Dynapro all-terrain tires, LED fog lights, and high-contrast yellow accents. Kind of a good deal for about $1,000, right?
Yeah, it is, actually. For those people that want that kind of a package, it's very affordable. So you can also get a moonroof. Not me.
On Pro-X and Pro-4X trim.
That's right.
Oh, they're breaking it out, so you don't have to buy other things to get to, like a lot of times they'll put the stereo system in with the moonroof.
Yeah,
and
you got to jump to the next level to get this
and you don't really
thing.
want the moonroof.
No.
I don't think a lot of people want moonroofs. Am I going out on a limb saying that?
I don't think so. I mean, I have talked to people who like moonroofs, but most of the people I've asked, which over time is a fair number of people, say, well, if there's one there, that's fine, but if not, I don't care. For me, I just don't want one.
Back to the Frontier. By the way, that Sport Edition package includes those 3 lights over the grill, which a lot of people like. But you look at that number, an SV 4x4, $39,790. So you're looking at $40,790, which is not bad for a tricked-out truck. 4x4 with the upgraded capability, and that is a pretty good thing. I mean, it is a pretty good deal. I kind of think Nissan will sell a lot of them, and as I say, it's got those 3 lights over the grill. A lot of people were looking to install those on other grades of the trucks, and Nissan said, hey, we hear you, we're going to offer it as part of a $1,000 package. So pretty cool.